Hey there, friend. Welcome back to one of my favorite little places. Hidden deep and nestled quietly, like nature's secret painting that only a few ever get to see. And the sky is showing off today. Those clouds, just right. Almost like they know we're here. Let's open this one slow and see what little wonder is waiting. Not what we needed today. That's okay. If you'd like to welcome this forest steel stone into your collection, just share your favorite grass type Pokemon in the comments. Thank you for sharing this quiet moment with me. Stay joyful, stay curious, and as always, may your packs be full of wonder.